scattered thunder showers. You know, a 50-50 chance of rain. But, that was a try. I hear rumbling. Do you hear rumbling? I definitely hear rumbling, and rumbling definitely. Oh my goodness. It is a flash flood, and it's heading straight towards the tram. Take cover!
Oh man.
Okay, I'll run my little benefit on you. That's not really a flash flood. That's thousands of gallons of recycled water being released from tanks from the top of the hill. And the rain? It's the rain sprinkler system. It shoots the rain straight up in the air, and then it allows it to come down the natural pattern. That's how we make movies and movies. This area, old Mexico, you see dozens of television shows, movies, and commercials. Hit the scene in Nacho Libre with Jack Black.